Today I'm doing a full-blown closet clean out. This many jackets, okay? I'm trying to eliminate the jackets. I think this is a yes. It's unique. Like that is a good quality dress. As some of you may already know, I am moving from Las Vegas to Florida, so it is a cross-country move. I am trying to purge as much stuff that I just don't want to take with me, and that means finally tackling my wardrobe. This might come as a little bit of a surprise, but this is literally all the clothes that I own. I do have a few like leggings and stuff like that and a dresser drawer, but other than that, this is it. Some people, it might look like I keep and hold on to a lot of clothes, but I do use the old catch and release method quite a bit. Quite often will I wear something a couple times and then I'll decide, you know what? I'm gonna sell this. I have never actually done a full clothing audit where I try on everything that I own. I think that's gonna be the goal today, is to try everything on and make that final decision. Does this belong in my wardrobe or not? And will it serve me in Florida? That's gonna be the ultimate question. Without further ado, let's start tackling my clothes. So much hand movements. I love how the very first item, I'm just like, what the f was I thinking with this? I love this look, and I think if I still lived in LA, this would probably be something that I would keep a hold of, but this does not make sense in Florida to me. I mean, it is such a cool piece, and I think there's so much that you can do with like tuxedo style shirts. They're just funky fresh, but yeah, it just doesn't belong in my wardrobe anymore. This one's gonna go in my sell pile, and I have to know that stuff like this, if I decide again that I want something like this in my wardrobe, the hunt for a new version of it is gonna be a lot of fun. Young, fabulous, and broke. You find this all the time at the thrift stores, but what got me was the batwing sleeve on this. I love a good batwing, like when it has this extra just like flap to it. So good. Can't deny it. This one, definitely keeping. This is one of those, like, I absolutely need boob tape to make it work. I think this is a yes. It's unique, it's cute, it's very different in cut, but I dig it. This is a definite yes. This is a Uniqlo jacket that I love. It's so comfy. I'm definitely taking this one with me in the car. And I love these sweaters. These are so comfy, and I have noticed American Apparel Aerie sells so well in my business. I never pass on these when I'm at the bins. They are so good. Free People Movement, again, Batwing, yes. Maeve, corduroy jacket, Anthropology, yes. It is like a perfect shaka jacket. Gap, stripe, button down. I think I'm actually gonna put this in my sell pile. Zara, distressed button down, same thing. I think I showed this in a haul. I believe I got this at the bins. No, I don't think I got this at the bins. Either way, I think I'm gonna sell this. I don't need this many jackets, okay? I'm trying to eliminate the jackets. Just gotta go. Just a plain crew neck sweatshirt. Why did I get this? Because I thought I was gonna embroider my name on here. Lord only knows how long it's gonna take me to finally embroider this, and I think I can find another one of these in Florida, so she's going in the shop. Gap linen button down. This one I think is gonna be a keep. Yeah, I like that it's linen. Wow, Laura, another crew neck sweatshirt that you were like, I'm gonna do something with this, and then you never did anything with it. Oh my gosh, raise your hand if you start projects and never finish them. Me, I do that. Can I tell you a quick story time though of what I wanted to do with this sweatshirt? It was hilarious. I bought this and 2 trucker hats. I saw the Frankie shop write, I wish you well on a t-shirt from the Gwyneth Paltrow trial, and I thought that was bloody brilliant, okay? And I wanted to write the same thing on this and 2 trucker hats, and I just never got around to doing it because, well, how many times do I talk about these sweaters on my channel? Like, too much. Does it all make sense now that I'm moving to Florida though? Like, I hope it makes sense.
Can't stop talking about Disney, including the movies and the parks. Even if they do have kids, they're still way more obsessed with it than their kids ever would be.
You know what? There is a difference, okay? There is. I've said it in the past, I'll say it again. He's not the same Mickey. He is slightly different, therefore I need both of them. I need them, okay?
And visit the theme parks at least once a year. They're obsessed with everything Disney and probably have a Mickey Mouse bumper sticker and or tattoo. One of the most terrifyingly intense people you'll ever encounter.
This is probably one of my most recent favorite thrift finds, and I know it's hilarious because it gives me absolutely no shape. It's comfy, and okay, to me, it's cute, so yes. Ugh. I feel like this is gonna turn out to be like the least attractive video ever because it's just me like putting clothes over my head over and over again. Get yourself some Batwing sweaters if you don't already have them. They're the best. They're the best ever. Yes, 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 yes. Do I even do, no, I don't need to even think twice about it. The only thing that I'm sad about is it's going in storage for a little bit. I'm gonna sell this. Just feel like it'll motivate me to find another one in Florida. Kind of what I gotta do sometimes, you know? I gotta motivate myself. Yes, I love the back of this. It like already is cinched in. Yes, 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 yes. I feel like I tried this on so recently that it's already a yes. This I took out during my inventory purge. Yeah, it doesn't fit me, but it's so stinking cute. Nope. Back in my inventory. This is like one of my favorite pieces that I've found in a long time. This is a gorgeous Free People dress. Love the cut on it. Yeah, I think I'm gonna take this one with me too on the road. 1970s Empire dress that I have not worn a single time. It's like one of those cocktail dresses. I don't have a reason to wear this, and I don't think I'm gonna magically come up with one in Florida, so she's going in the inventory. She's so pretty though. I got this as, is it backwards? No. I got this as like, I don't know, a very princess style dress, thinking I was gonna wear it to Disney. Now I'm gonna live right by Disney, and I don't think I'm gonna wear it, so she's going. This Free People dress, I've worn this so many times, and it's definitely staying with me because it's so comfortable. My Anthropologie maxi dress, this one is a no-brainer. I cannot part with this. I love this dress so much. I'm not even gonna try these on because I already know that these are 1000% yes. I've talked so much about slip dresses. I cannot recommend enough getting yourself like a satin silky slip dress. Giving me very Dick Tracy vibes with black and yellow, but I dig it. My one and only Sandy Liang dress, wore this like 2 videos ago. Of course I'm keeping this one, I'm obsessed. Mr. Mort dress that I fell in love with. I still have to fix her. Am I keeping her? Will I ever wear her? I can't make up these are critical decisions that I just don't have the time to process. Yes, I'm keeping her. Man, I feel like this is one of those dresses that tells so many stories. I have worn this in so many different videos, and Thrift With Me's, a Earth Day video that I did that was like a little like dance compilation video. I wore this in my recent Sandy Liang video. Oh, it's making me so sad. This was one of my favorite dresses I found in LA. And you know what? I think she belongs to somebody else now. I wore this dress all summer last year, and now I haven't worn it a single time this summer. She's got pockets, and that's what's so good about her, but nope. I'm just gonna put the stock photo of this on the screen instead of try it on, because I don't think I'm gonna do it justice with this t-shirt on underneath it. This dress is beautiful, okay? I know I'm eventually gonna sell it, but I am determined to wear it somewhere fancy. I need to figure something out, but until then, she's staying in my wardrobe, okay? Don't at me. I love this dress. This is one of my favorites in my vintage collection. She is so beautiful. Like, just look at the cut right there. Like, that is a good quality dress. You know the 2 book owners in Portlandia, when they do that episode where they show their past?
I'm not asking you your family history. I'm sorry for yelling.
How's Weight Watchers going?
Were you crying?
This outfit reminds me of the characters in Portlandia, and I feel like I am like a power woman with like a brick phone, and I run a business.
What is that? Looks like coffee. I drink Sanka. Dustin!
Yeah?
Get a memo out, please,
Sure.
as fast as you can. Hi, who are you?
I'm new.
Sit down. I don't know what that is or who you are.
Dress kind of looks like I belong in a cult, and I'm okay with that. I mean, yes, 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 yes. I knew this dress was gonna end up being problematic. The stars, This is a little bit too delicate to want to pack. I'm gonna see if I can sell it, and if I can't sell it, then it'll be moved in my inventory. I don't think I realized how many dresses I own. This is by far one of my favorite vintage dresses that I own. I think I've worn it so many times though, but you know what? One more time in Florida for good measure. I just don't know why I need this many dresses, but like, I just do. This was one of my favorite outfits last summer with my New Balance, and I think I wore it too many times and fell out of love with it. So that's a no. I just never realized how many dresses I own until this very moment, and it's a lot, but I have no regrets. You would be a fool to get rid of this. And no, I am not a fool, so you should definitely come up with me. This dress is way too complicated to try on. I felt like it took me an hour the last time to try this on, so I already know this is a yes, because I found this when I first moved to Vegas. That vintage label is beautiful. It's a beautiful dress. I mean, that's a no-brainer. I just can't let go of this. I don't think I'm gonna wear it anymore, but I can't let go of it. A vintage Calvin Klein coverall, like, I can't take it off. I can't take it off. This has gotta stay with me. She's gonna be like an heirloom piece. She's gotta go for no other reason than me just not having any reasons. I mean, yeah, I do wish it had side pockets, but I feel like this is nothing a fanny pack can't fix. Yes. This is one of like 2 pairs of shorts that I own. I hate shorts. Does anybody else out there feel that way? Like, I'm just not a fan. I don't gravitate towards them. It's either skirts or dresses. Shorts, I don't know. They gotta be like trouser-esque if I get them and fall in love with them. So this is like the one pair that I own. Yes. This is like my Prepster dream skirt, but I never wear it for some reason. Why not? Why not? It's adorable. I'm gonna give her one more chance. Oh, I ended up thrifting so many denim maxi skirts that this one became just like a dime a dozen in my collection. So I think it's finally time to let this one go. She was my first. This was the one that made me fall in love with the denim skirt trend. Like that I've had this in my closet for like 2 years now, and it definitely does not even fit me. I mean, yes, 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 yes. No, no. Okay, I have 2 navy blue trouser pants and I need to pick one. The first one is Kenzo. Okay, I love the taper on this. So I'm gonna note that. The taper on the pants, they're good. I like that. I like that a lot. I think this is an easy decision. These are wool, and I just don't need wool trouser pants. Don't need that in Florida. These are, yeah, these are very nice trouser pants, but I'm gonna go with Kenzo's. They win. This is Ralph Lauren. Still just as good, but the Kenzo's, they win. The rest of the stuff that I'm gonna go through, I mean, I have to do like odds and ends, like hats. This one's a yes, perfect for Florida. Yeah, lots of stuff that are like obvious yeses, but I think I covered all of the really difficult items. Most everything else is just gonna get packed over time. I hope I will have everything listed in my Poshmark closet that I am getting rid of by the end of this week, so definitely keep an eye out. I am looking to wheel and deal because the more inventory I get rid of, the less inventory I have to worry about storing in boxes for like a solid month. So thank you so much for coming along on this journey with me. I am honestly so excited. I'm a little stressed and a little frazzled, but all in all, I'm just so excited for this adventure. And yeah, I can't wait to get to Florida, but for right now, I'm still in that like in-between phase where everything just feels chaotic. But I really appreciate you guys a lot, and thank you for watching. If you guys are new around here, I might have a couple extra videos for you right here and right here, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.